Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we'll be installing the Firewad's AK adapter, Firewad, to our AAP01, which is already partly disassembled with all the necessary parts here. So we just need to install it here. Okay, without further ado, let's do this. First, this, oops, screw, and just to hold the trigger a little bit for preparation. Now the most difficult part is you need to put the disconnector here and this one here. Careful, it might fly. So okay, good. Check if it moves. Okay, hold it while this is here. Sure that it's located properly. Let's slowly push it down, and that's the most difficult part. Now the another difficult part is this one, because the spring holds this one. It should be installed like this, but there's a small notch there for spring. Since this is 3D printed, it's not always fits well, so need to modify it a bit. Please, a little tools, raise it a little so it will go in. Okay. And the string falls. Try again. Go inside there. Okay, good. Press this down, then this one. Make sure that this goes flat. And if you have a hammer time, and hit sure the trigger works well. While it's installed, you can now install the trigger. Will this fit? Okay, while this is installed properly, make sure that the disconnector works. Now we need to lower the trigger and then finally install it. Check. Okay, it's good. Next is this one. Uh-huh. Now to put this here. It's quite difficult. There. Bigger works. Now the hard parts are done. You just need to put this here. Safety. Oops. This is left-handed. You need to trim sometimes excess filaments. So that it will fit well. You can use a knife. Okay, so it's good. Now you need to install the spring. Here. There's a notch there. There. See? Spring. Push it down. Oops. There. Now this one can hold this spring and put another notch. So it's now fine. This one here. Then hammer. Let's make sure. Off screen hammering. Next is this one. Just place it here. Make sure it's flush and no excess filaments. Okay. Put here. Then, oops, here. Then nothing's being hit, and then close. Put the screw here. Hold it. Screw. Do not over tighten. And then, ta-da! It's done. I just connect it here first. And this works. And lock.